Hi, I'm Sejal, founder and creative director of Milestone Dubai. We've just completed this gorgeous penthouse at the Tanzanite Apartments in Tiara Residences at the Palm Jumeirah. Tabassum and Spike moved to Dubai in 2021 and wanted to turn around their space to create memories, use their large terrace to entertain business associates, and enjoy with family and friends. Check out my photo wall, made with flowers handmade by me right at the entrance to welcome guests and create memories whilst taking pictures at the entrance. Check out this TV wall, which has spacious large porcelain panels and space to keep all the photo frames and artifacts. The bar is spacious, compact and user-friendly and has fitted wine cooler fridge from Teka. Dining ceiling and lighting highlights the dining experience. What a mesmerizing view from this large terrace. The bar is super functional and allows easy serving. Large 14-seater table made in Milestone carpentry in Alcuz helps to create fine dining experiences. The fireline tables are glamorous and customized in our factory. Made from large porcelain slabs clad on wood, these tables are sustainable and great to serve starters. Lighting and plants make this ideal party space for all to enjoy this mesmerizing view. Do you have a large terrace or a balcony and don't know what to do with it? Give us a call and we'll turn it around.